Stay True Martinez. Back it up. It's good. Okay.
So far, so good. So far, so good.
Keep me updated. Keep me updated.
I got you.
A good ride lasts at least 6 months.
Okay.
A good, I mean, if it's a street car,
I'm gonna be dogging on it.
okay, yeah, you gotta at least get out of Whip Fest. That's July.
I'm trying to go to I-30 Dragway this month.
Bet. You gotta at least complete 2 events. 3, really 3, but 2 good.
Okay.
If you can go through 2 events and make 3 passes at each one, and you running the number where you can beat somebody, you should be happy. You should be happy. If you happen to, let me tell you the opposite of that. Let me tell you but if you come out and you can't beat nobody and it ain't messing up, well, that's kind of, that's one of them, hey, just enjoy your car.
Okay.
That's enjoy your car. It ain't turned up, he don't know how to turn it up. The other one is, if you blowing up and you trying to win and you end up having to basically spend everything over again, and then you gotta put your trust in them again and hope that it'll be right this time.
Don't fuck with it.
Nope, don't go back. Don't go back. If you blow up within between this, if you blow up this year, you shouldn't be blowing up. You shouldn't be blowing up. You shouldn't be blowing up. If you blow up this year, you gonna know. You gonna say, he said it while he was live. He said that shit.
Right now, I'm screaming.
You in a street car. You supposed to be able to drive out of town. What kind of transmission you got? Okay. But it's an LS motor, hydraulic roller. Okay. He hydraulic roller. He supposed to be able to drive. Okay. It's going down. 24s. He ain't finna be doing nothing. He just finna be trying to make them burn rubber every now and then. He gonna be, you got some nitrous? Okay. He looking for everybody, yeah. You fuel injection? Okay, I'm gonna tell you all the excuses now. I don't want to hear no bad injectors. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear no bad car pack. I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear no, you got new wiring on your shit.
Highly terminated.
I don't want to hear this, a bad harness. I don't want to hear no bad computer system. I don't want to hear no bad fuel pump. None of that. Ain't nothing should be bad. Should nothing be turned up. We speaking your shit in for the good. He don't have no faulty parts. All these people out here buying good brand new parts. He didn't buy the faulty ones. He got the brand good new ones like everybody else. Yeah, I got some. I bought me some. Mine still good, so yours should still be good. I got me some. Oh, what's going on? What? What is going on? Oh, she ready, y'all. God, I'ma just, let me get away from them. Let me let them make it, y'all. I'ma let them make it. God damn. She said she was cussing his ass out. She scared me. Let me go over here and see what's going on. Go talk to the laws or something. Look, my boy right here, he ready. I gotta take a little, get closer. See how them police be sneaking up. What's up with it, Carrillo? How you doing, man? Them police be sneaking up, look. Be checking their door. Next thing you know, they be right there in your face. You be like, what the hell? Where you come from? And snuck in there, y'all. Golly. That's the one I parked in this parking spot, too. How sneaky he is. Ooh. Golly, he's so sneaky. Next thing you know, see, that lady over there hollering, next thing you know, he's standing right there. She hollering. That's going to calm her down. That's going to calm her right on down. But the police over there, they going to handle it. They ain't talking about nothing. He done did something. Oh, damn, I'm right there. I need to pull down here, man. But yeah, I'm about 4 cars on this side, man. I'm 4 cars over there with Gerald now. It's a black car right here. Well, that thing is clean. They been wiping on this thing.
Mississippi in the house.
Mississippi in the house, y'all, with a turbo. Golly. Y'all, oh, what's up with it, Dave? How you doing, man? Got the bomb tone in the building, y'all. Yeah. It's about to go over there. Oh, they talking about Pro Mod. Who in the Pro Mod? Oh, they must be talking about Brandon Kersey. Brandon Kersey in the Pro Mod. Huh? What charge you got? Oh, well shit. Yeah, we gotta wait, goddamn. Okay, well let me go get a hat. I'm gonna bring you back too. Yeah, we finna go get you a hat right now, man. I need to try to pull down here and block somebody in or something. While they ain't looking. I should have some room now. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it down there. Yeah, here I come. Yeah. What's up with it, Curtis Bertha? Got LeBron James in here. Instagram. Hey, y'all. Is all my Instagram followers on my YouTube channel? Instagram, it's hard to get some people to come live on there.